Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where innovation meets the road. Today, we're looking at a vehicle that continues to redefine what an electric SUV can be. This is the 2026 Tesla Model X, and while it's always been a tech-forward powerhouse, this year's model sharpens the package with more range, more refinement, and smarter features than ever. Design. The 2026 Model X keeps its unmistakable shape but adds a cleaner, more aerodynamic front end and subtle updates to its profile. Tesla has improved panel fit and finish, making the exterior look sleeker and more premium. The Falcon wing doors remain a showstopper, both practical and dramatic, while new wheel designs and lighting details give the SUV a more modern, sophisticated stance. It's futuristic without being over the top. Performance. Performance has always been a Tesla strength, and this year is no different. The dual and tri-motor configurations deliver incredible acceleration, with the top-spec Plaid model hitting 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. The updated battery pack improves efficiency and extends the driving range, making long trips more practical. The low center of gravity and all-wheel drive give it sports car-level handling while keeping the ride smooth and quiet. Features and technology. Inside, the 2026 Model X focuses on comfort, connectivity, and automation. The minimalist cabin is anchored by an upgraded center touchscreen with faster processing, clearer graphics, and improved voice control. Tesla's latest Autopilot and Full Self-Driving updates bring more advanced driver assistance features, making highway cruising nearly effortless. Enhanced sound insulation, premium seating, and over-the-air updates round out a tech package that keeps improving over time. Conclusion. The 2026 Tesla Model X is more polished, more powerful, and smarter than ever, a perfect mix of performance and practicality for the EV age. But what do you think? Has Tesla kept its edge in the luxury electric SUV game? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button if you enjoyed this review, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more first looks, honest impressions, and in-depth breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.